Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. In today's video, we will be looking at a brand new generative AI tool that can produce beautiful images like the ones you get with another generative AI called Midjourney. So further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so this new AI tool is called Leonardo AI. It is completely free and its image quality can compete with Midjourney. So now let's see how to use this new tool. So first open up Google and then in the search bar type Leonardo AI. Click on the first link that appears and then it will take you to this page. So then in the top of this page you'll see this button called launch app. You have to click it and then you have to fill some information about yourself like your first name and email, and then click on count me in, and then after that click on yes, I'm whitelisted. Then it will take you to this page which shows all the community artworks, and then it also shows a few featured models, which are basically like styles that your images will be generated in. So you can see a few here, the home page. Okay, so now to generate your images, you just scroll down in this sidebar here until you see AI image generation. Click on it, and then it will take you to this AI generation tool page. So here you can type a prompt, whatever prompt you like, and then below the prompt area you can see the different models that I was talking about. So I have added a few custom ones, but in default you'll get Dream Shaper V6, Leonardo Diffusion, and then these other stuff like Stable Diffusion. So that's it, and then you can select the style of your images. So a quick tip that I have for you is if you're using any of these Leonardo models like Leonardo Diffusion, Leonardo Select or something like that, the recommended style is Leonardo style because that's the normal default style. And then next to that you can see the negative prompt. So here you have to type in what you don't want to see in your picture, and then after that you can click on generate to generate your pictures. Okay, so to the side of here you can see a few settings related to your image generation. The first one is your credits. So basically these you have 150 credits to to generate images, and then every 24 hours it will be reset. But you can also upgrade to a subscription plan, and then you can get even more credits, but it's not necessary. And then below that you can see the number of images. So by default it will be 4, and then you can keep it as 4, but you can select a different amount of images that you want to see generated. So then you have Alchemy, which is basically a paid feature, so you don't get it if you're using a free plan. And then you have Prompt Magic, which I don't recommend using because it's a bit complex and stuff. And then Public Images, that's also a paid plan. And then next you have the Image Dimensions. It's basically where you can select the size of your images that you want to generate. and then you have the aspect ratio. Here you can select like 1:1, which is a square, and then you can select 3:4, which are basically what do you call it, rectangles. And then you have the guidance scale. So basically the guidance scale is like how much the is how much the AI is relating to your prompt. So I recommend keeping it at 7 because that's the default. But if you decrease it below 5, it will show you this warning for some models. It says, note that high and low guidance scale can produce unwanted results and image degradation. So they also say the guidance scale of around 7 is better for some images. And then you have control net. It just allows you to influence your generations with input. And then you have tiling. So if you turn this on, if you are generating like a texture or something, you can turn this on to tile it all around. Okay, now let's type a prompt and see what we get. So I'm selecting my model as Leonardo diffusion. Then I'm gonna type let's see, a cat wearing sunglasses, and then make sure the style is Leonardo style. It's optional to add negative prompt, but for the sake of this video I'm not gonna add one. And then I'm gonna select 4 images and then click on generate. So now it will generate 4 images. Just give it a few seconds to generate. Takes between 20 seconds. So there, we got our images now, and as you can see, these images are pretty good in quality. So let's see, I like this picture. So you just have to click on the picture you like, and then it will show you a zoomed in version of it. And then if you want to upscale this image, you can click on HD crisp upscaler or smooth upscaler. Both of them do different jobs, but I recommend using crisp upscaler because it retains a good amount of details and crispness to the image. Both of these will cost 5 tokens each, so just click on this button here, HD crisp upscaler. It will take a few seconds, and while it's upscaling, I'll go over some of the other icons. So this one is pretty forward. So you can delete this image, then you can download the image, and then you can unzoom the image which is still in beta version, and then you can remove the background of your image. But with Leonardo AI, it's a bit not good. So okay, so as you can see, the AI has upscaled our image. Make sure it's in HD crisp upscaled image before you're downloading it, and then you can click on this download image button, and then it will download your image. So I'll just click on save, and then it will save it to your computer. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video as it supports me a lot. Until then, see you.